Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 stocks to watch this week. So let's get right into it. From SPY, last week we were able to hold this demand zone area here at 453, and we ended up breaking the big resistance level of 470 on Friday. So the market overall looks bullish, but anything could happen. This week, news could destroy all the nice setups. But however, if we can hold 470, we can go ahead and retest all-time highs of 473.54. If that doesn't happen and we lose 470, we could find support at 468. If 468 does not hold, we can go back to 466.29, which was the high from 2 weeks ago. So I'll go ahead now and show you guys the 3 stocks I'm going to be watching this week. Looking at is UPS. UPS looks like it might be ready to break out of this overall downtrend it's been since October. So over this level right here, 209.85, I'll be looking to go long. But if it doesn't break above 209.85, I'll be on the watch for 209. Like break of 209 might actually be an opportunity to go short. It might be a little risky, but 209 wouldn't be a bad opportunity to try and short. If you're a scalper, it could work. But it's best to wait for 209.85 for calls because it looks like it's finally ready to break this downtrend. So the next stock I'm going to be talking about here is Pfizer. So right now, it looks like it's ready to break out of this bull flag right here. So above 53, I would be looking to get calls, and below 52 would be a short, so you could get puts. However, I think as long as COVID is still with us and we keep hearing new news about strains and new booster shorts, these vaccine companies will continue to be profitable and we would just see them make new highs. Like the price will just keep going up. So above 53 would be a good point to get calls for Pfizer. The next and the final one I would like to talk about is Disney. So Disney has been around for long, right? So this play is a swing trade or a long-term play because they're a solid company to hold long-term as well. So the level I'm watching here is 154.70 for calls or to just buy more shares. However, I think if it breaks this level of support here on 151, then let me put it here, 151.53 area. That's what I'm looking at. Then we could potentially head back down. But I'm bullish on this because Disney is a great company. They I don't think you can go wrong with Disney, and we have a huge gap to fill. Yeah, right here. Look at this gap. So there's a lot of profit potential here if you're even swinging this short term. But my entry would be above 154.80 area to be safe. I'd say if I'm playing this short term, like if it's a day trade, you want to see it above 154.80 if you're day trading this. If you're investing long term, this is a deal. Like this price levels are great deals. Between 142 and 160 on Disney is a great buy in my opinion. So I'm just talking about this from a day trade, swing trade, and long term perspective because Disney is a Disney is a great company. So I'll repeat this again. So for day trades, you want to see 154.80 break before you get calls. And I think this can test 156 area in the short term. 156 is definitely possible in the short term. Like I'm speaking like in a week. Long term, like a month out or something, it can go ahead to retest this 164 level, this supply level, and eventually fill the gap and continue the uptrend. Disney is cheap right now. That's all I'm saying. But this is not advice to go buy the stock. I'm not a financial advisor. Please remember that. Do your research before going in to buy Disney. So that's all I have right now. So on the watch list, I mentioned UPS, Pfizer, and Disney. So that's a wrap on the video. Please share, like, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate you. Have a great week. Believe in yourself. Take care.